What's up, guys? Tommy here from Green Rhino Carpet Tile Cleaning, and back with another one. So this is a repeat customer. We're just doing a pet tree. Actually, not really pet tree, but she has little hairballs and stuff that come up. She calls us out once a year just to get her carpet, white carpet. She takes pretty good care of it. But this is a pretty, simple, just clean. Actually, vacuum, pre-spray, and not much agitation on this, so we're not gonna have to bring out the CRB or anything like that. And extract, and we'll be good to go until next year. So I take care of all this stuff with my house called Pro app, as far as scheduling reminders when I'm on my way. Wow, they even got like text. You can do mass text now, which is really great. And they haven't had that, but you can do that now. And online booking, all kinds of stuff. So actually, I manage my business off that. Highly recommended, guys. And down below the video and all my videos, there's a link for that. You get half off with that link, so make sure you use that. So I got my pre-spray all mixed up in here. This is just above neutral pH, which means it doesn't leave any residue, no odor, and green safe, hypoallergenic, and cleans amazing. And in this case, we're just doing little spots here and there, so I went ahead and treated the hair, throw up and stuff like that already with my spotter and my drill gun right there. Just there's only like 2 or 3 of them. Just do an overall. We'll take actually we always do agitation on the stairs. Okay, right on the lip with that, and I'll show you a little bit of that. I'm gonna go in here and just pre-spray right now. Okay, ready for extraction. All right, so our appointment was booked for 10:30. It's now 11 o'clock. We showed up about 5 minutes late, so this job should take an hour. I'm gonna go ahead and fire up the machine. All right, guys, all wrapped up. I wanted to make sure we were wrapped up before I actually told you the time. It's 11:25, so it took exactly 1 hour to do. So the tickets for $200. That's $200 an hour, isn't it, guys? Imagine if you have 4 jobs doing something like this. It took an hour. So yeah. So if you guys are looking for carpet cleaning training, I got some training links below my video called Starting a Carpet Cleaning Business 101, and click on that. Green Rhino Academy got many students and many happy students. And also, if you need that software to manage your business, go ahead and click that link and get half off. So, all right, off to the next one. So we are running a little bit early because we always book hour and a half right in between jobs on these type of jobs. We're a little early, but we can go get Brenda, the princess, some coffee.
That's right.
Or matcha. You know, the matcha lady. All right. Out of here. See ya.